A motor driving a solid circular steel shaft transmits 40 kilowatts of power at 500 rpm. If the diameter of the shaft is 40 mm, the maximum shear stress in the shaft is dash megapascal. This question came in GATE 2023. First write the given data. Power is given, that is P equal to 40 kilonewtons, 40 kilowatts. So you can write 40 into 10 power 3 watts. Speed is also given, n equal to 500 rpm. Shaft diameter is given, that is d equal to 40 mm. So you can also write radius 40 by 2, that is 20 mm. He is asked that the maximum shear stress in the shaft, tau equal to how much? So in the given problem he has given power, speed, diameter and asked that find out the maximum shear stress. If the power is given, we know one relation, that is power equal to torque into angular velocity, that is P equal to T into omega means 2 pi n by 60. So you can substitute the values here. Power is 40 kilowatts, 40 into 10 power 3 equal to torque equal to 2 pi n by 60, that is 2 pi n is the speed, 500 rpm by 60. From this equation you can find out the T value, that is 763.9 Newton meter. You can also write that is 763.9 into 10 power 3 Newton mm. But here he asked that find out the maximum shear stress. We know torque, so we know the torsion equation. In strength of material, torsion equation that is T by J equal to G theta by L equal to tau by R. So from this equation we need to find out the shear stress, that means tau. So this is the unknown, so T is the known value, J is the known value, R is the known value, tau is the unknown value. So let us take these two terms, that is T by J equal to tau by R. From this equation, tau equal to torque into radius by J. J is pi by 32 d power 4. So tau equal to torque is 763.9 into 10 power 3 into radius is 20 mm by J is pi by 32, that is for solid circular shaft. So pi by 32 into d power 4. Here the d is diameter is given that 40 mm, that is d power 4, 40 power 4. So you can simplify this equation. You can get you can also write this one 763.9 into 10 power 3 into 20 into 32 by 5 into 40 power 4. Now simplify this one. You can get 60.79 Newton per mm square. But in the given question, he asked that find the maximum shear stress in the shaft dash megapascal. He asked that in terms of megapascal. So you can convert this into megapascal. That is 60 point. This is also equal to, we know that 1 megapascal equal to 1 Newton per mm square. This is the relation between 1 megapascal and 1 Newton per mm square. So the answer is 60.79 megapascal. So here the answer is 60.79 megapascal. For solving these type of problems, we need to remember two equations. One is relationship between power and torque, that is P equal to T into omega. Second equation, torsion equation, this one, T by J equal to tau by R. Then only you can find the any type of unknowns from these equations. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.